What are objections? Objections are concerns or doubts a potential customer expresses for not moving forward right away. Let's take a look at some common objections you may face. Price. Customers may think they cannot afford the price of your product or service. Need. Customers may think they do not need your product or service right now. Timing. Customers may think that it isn't the right time to commit to your product or service. Authority. Customers may need to consult with others on their team first before making any decisions. Competition. Customers may already be using a competitor's product or service and don't yet have a reason to change. Trust. Customers may feel they don't trust your company enough yet to make a decision. Satisfaction. Customers may feel they are already happy with the current solution. Why objections are a good thing? They indicate engagement. When a prospect raises objections, it signals that they are considering the proposed solution, rather than indifference or lack of interest. They uncover real concerns. Objections allow salespeople to understand the genuine concerns, doubts, or reservations the prospect may have, and move the sale forward. They strengthen relationships. Handling objections professionally and with empathy can help build trust and credibility with the prospect. They provide opportunities to add value. By responding to objections effectively, you can show additional benefits or value propositions that align with the prospect's needs. They lead to better solutions. When objections are addressed transparently, it can result in more tailored and mutually beneficial solutions. Now let's take a look at the objection handling process. At stage 1, we have support. This is where the customer should feel comfortable expressing their concerns. You could support them by saying, "That's a common concern for a lot of similar people who are considering this option." At stage 2, we have obtain. This is where you should encourage the customer to articulate their objection by saying, "Can you help me understand what is causing this concern?" At stage 3, we have understanding. This is where you should ask questions to better understand their objection. You could start with, "To help me understand fully, may I ask?" At stage 4, we then have listen. This is where you should actively listen to the customer's concerns by letting them explain in full without interrupting. Next, at stage 5, we have validate. This is where you should acknowledge the validity of their concerns to show understanding and respect. You could say, "That is a valid concern, it seems like you're," then finish with an empathic response. At stage 6, we have isolate. This is where you should confirm that the objection is the only barrier stopping them from moving forward. You could ask, "If we are able to solve that completely, would you be happy to move forward?" Finally, at stage 7, we have explain. This is where you should provide a clear response that addresses how you would solve the objection and agree to move forward. Let's take a look at a quick summary. Overcoming sales objections involves actively listening to the customer's concerns, empathizing with their viewpoints, and providing clear, concise responses. Spotting objections early is crucial, as it builds trust and loyalty, as well as allowing you to demonstrate how your product or service effectively meets their needs.